So as a leader, we want to lead the group or the team members in a peaceful and safe way as we can. So in the illustration where I am 3, I would place myself in number 9. So here is the number 9. So the picture shows someone who is a strong leader, because someone is actively assisting someone else in climbing up the tree. And leadership is not just about reaching the top alone, but guiding and supporting someone else along the way. So these individuals demonstrate qualities such as teamwork, encouragement, and responsibility that is key traits in an effective leadership. So by extending or giving a helping hand, they ensure that everyone can proceed or succeed, and also foster unity and collaboration inside the group. So their action reflects a leader who is not just focused only on personal growth, but also the development of the other members inside the group. So true leadership embodies this, and number 9 shows this by creating opportunities for those around them to climb higher and achieve more together. So that's why I chose number 9 as my placement in Where Am I 3.